Some of the ballast is still down there, has been left. What's that, one of the old is it telegraph wires or signalling wires or something like that? All the phone lines for the signal boxes. A lot of wires hanging around the cable anyway. Can't believe that's still there. Oh, there's a few of them. It appears there's one up here and all. Like I said, folks, I've not been up here before. Been on the line. I've just never been this far up here. Like I said, not too sure what they are. So anyone with any knowledge, bits of ballast. Folks, we just come on the Dowson Road for some of you who know where that is, in Hyde. Not more than poles up there. Quite a few things been left around there when it got shut. There's quite a few things. Still a lot of the old ballast left a bit further west down the line. Which I'm surprised really. Quite a few of these disused lines that have been turned into trails, there ain't been a scrap of ballast around. Whereas this one, you got the ballast down. There's been some of them, I think the telegraph poles or signalling poles or communication posts for the signal box and everything. But yeah, there's still quite a bit of stuff. And there was a couple of sleepers left over and all. Sleepers generally you will find now and again. So, like I said before, I've never been down this section of it before. in the whole 39 years, well, 10 of them as I was young, I've never even been down there. So let's open my eyes up a little bit. This is a nice little thing here, isn't it? These retaining walls here, it's beautiful, that. Graffiti, nothing much though. At least it's not covered in it. That's stunning, that wall. Fly tipping. Like I said, it starts a big amount of it, so which is good. That wall's beautiful. I'm sorry for going on here, Pete, but this wall's absolutely lovely. It's got that railway feel to it as well. I do apologise to some of you if the video's a bit boring, I'm just walking, but you know, these things used to be alive with engines. Absolutely thrashing along here. I mean, to be honest, I don't think there'd have been a whole lot much trains going that quick on here. I think there was a top speed of about 30 mile an hour, 40 or something like that. Like I said, any of you who remember this line well, please tell me. I mean, so folks, the video went off, and yeah, as I was saying, for those of you who know this line, worked it, seen it all in operation, please tell me speed limits or anything like that, what it was like, and what them what I keep saying, the telegraph poles or communication poles for the signal boxes and things like that. That do you know, it makes me just want to build an N-gauge layout and just do that. Just building that in a layout would be fantastic. Much better in double O gauge, but because of the space that I've got, it's going to be an N-gauge one. Right, now that's, I think that's called Market Street. As I said, the bridge before was called Dawson Road. I think that's Market Street, or it turns to something. I can't remember what it's called. I'll have a look on Google Maps later on. We are nearly halfway now. Terraced houses up there. What is it with terraced houses and railways? They look absolutely fantastic next to each other. Right, this bridge here, this separates Grange Road North and Grange Road South. So, well, there's a van just gone up there, but up there's Grange Road South, and down there, beside the bridge is Grange Road North. Bit of a shithole down there, unfortunately. Yeah, fly tipping. That's disgusting. So I do apologise, people. I know we're living in that age now where everyone seems to just want a fly tip. It's just not something I want to get used to seeing all the time. It's disgusting as far as I'm concerned. Right, I'll get back to you all soon. Welcome back, folks. Right, so we're nearly there now, and just over there now. Now I'm not too sure what that used to be. Like I say, anyone know the line? Worked it? Was around when it was open? Please feel free to comment and let me know what it was. I've got a feeling it was some, was it a coal storage thing for steam engines? Was it some kind of a small goods shed? I don't know. Well, that's new, I've not seen that before. Oh. One of the old gantries. Blimey. I've never noticed that before. You know what I was saying before, that like living close to this area for almost 39 years, 10 of them, well 6 of them probably won't, well 4 of them won't remember because I was young, but I've never noticed that before. And all the time I've been coming down there, even a couple of days ago, never noticed that. I should just walk up here more often this side. Oh, they didn't say that one. It's crazy. So yeah, like I said, if you know what that building is, please let us know. Right, so for some of you who don't know, like I say, this is an old, this is all the old Cheshire lines that ran in between Godley Junction and Apethorn Junction. Now, originally, or what I can remember, is that it used to carry coal for the Woodhead line. So what would happen is electric traction, i.e. class 76s, would go to Mottram Yard. They would detach them and then attach a class 47, which would then take train over the non-electrified sections to Fiddler's Ferry power station just past Warrington. So this is mainly what this line was like. Don't forget, ever carry passengers on only apart from rail tours. But anyway, this is Godley Turntable for those of you who don't know. The team of volunteer restoration team have done an absolutely fantastic job. They've cut most of these trees down, or they may have contractors here to do it, but they've done an absolute fantastic job. I thought that was yeah, they've done an amazing job. It's clear now, and one time you wouldn't be able to get here, but now you can walk free and easy now around there. Not sludgy to anything down, not going down there. Looks like some kind of an old lantern over there. I don't know. Yard light? Fit yard? I don't know. I know they were very common in a lot of yards. I know a few years back, Barnaby up in Lincolnshire had some on the sidings. Whether they're still there, I don't know. So yeah, these would have been the inspection pits, I'm presuming, for the steam engines. A lot of the old things were in now for the rails, when the rails to keep them in place. Can't remember what they were called. Give you any class of a diesel locomotive or anything like that, but anything like that I would not have a clue in the structure. Anything, I wouldn't have a clue. Yeah, there's a big friends group who's involved in this, and they've done an absolute fantastic job. I mean, they were doing it on Mondays, but I'm presuming they finished it now. But once they can get some funding or something to carry on what they're doing. I mean, I fancy doing it, but because of work during the week, we'll get down to help them. Of course, it would have been a pleasure to, with my skills anyway. Council worker. So yeah, involving cutting trees and branches, but don't think they needed my help. Done a really good job as they have. Amazing, isn't it? Right, I'm going to carry on walking. The trail ends a bit further up here, but I'm going to carry on walking down Disused section. So I'll be back very soon. So I thought I was just about to leave and I've just come across this. What it is like. Something they must have uncovered. Some kind of a tower, so it would have gone somewhere around it up there. Wonder what it were. So they have uncovered quite a few things. Ah, yes, sleepers. Fucking hell. Oh, we know where that. Yeah, sleepers. Wow. Must have been buried for years. I can't remember when they started using that. I think they might have started using that in the 60s or something. Maybe earlier than that, I don't know. Wow. Just absolute wow. I can't believe I've just come across this. That's amazing. So yeah, so they would have come off the line there, wouldn't they? Come up here somewhere, and then here. Oh my days. Yeah, there you go. Sleeper there. So it would have been here, wouldn't it? Yeah. Do you know, it's so nice when you come on, you know, things like this, and you find these things. It must have been absolutely brilliant when, you know, when they were restoring it, digging all up and finding all that. You're a steam fan, I suppose, and it'd be right up your street. Fortunately, I'm a diesel man, so, but it's still nice. Well, that's the first time I've seen that. No, I've never come across that before. Looks like the neat down here. Well, that's a surprise. Like I said, that must have all been uncovered. So, whether they were actually looking for that and they dug it up because they knew, and that's what they were searching for, I don't know, but that's a really nice find, that. Really nice find. I know it's nothing, I know it's only a few sleepers, and yeah, but I suppose if you're trying to research things like this and trying to find the evidence, and yeah. Anyway, so the trail actually ends there, and it carries on through there. I think it is some kind of a just footpath, but you can't go any further. But it might be private property, I don't know. But I've walked through there a few times. No one's ever said anything to me. So I can't remember if that was actually Green Lane. I don't know, because it wasn't a continual through road. It went up that way, then it turned into a footpath and went up there, that green hill there. So I don't think it is Green Lane, that. That over there's the main line, providing local services between Manchester, Glossop and Hadfield. The factory directly behind it is Walls's, or Carrier Foods now, sausage and bacon and all that. This is the bridge I was telling you about. It's an arch bridge on that side, and it was like, I think it was iron. Is it an iron girder? Yeah. And an iron structure there, but you can just see the arch underneath. Must have been a nice place to live over there when it was in operation. Joe, this would be superb as the layout, this. Been absolute superb to build a layout on this. Engage as well. Better with double O, but Engage was absolutely fantastic. Now just over here, like I said, just after the bridge there, I think it was somewhere around there, was Brookfold signal box. You had Godley Station down there, and then you had Godley Junction, I want to say, yeah, Godley Junction signal box. That's the base for something like that, for the old overhead gantry things. Obviously they just cut them one end and removed the whole thing. Don't think the other side of it's over here. I think they took it all up. Oh no. There it is. That was probably part of it there, the big hole there. One there and all. Ah, yeah, there it is. Yeah. So hang on a minute, what's the one there? Oh no. Oh. Oh wow. Would this been an old... Oh yeah. Well, that would have sat in there somewhere, wouldn't it? And then this would have been the thing for the points or signals, yeah. Bloody hell. Oh wow, can I? Yeah, that's the old gantry there. Oh wow. Right, then we'll see that and taking it, so we'll put that down there. Away from praying eyes. There you go. Yeah, they've all seized. Yeah, there's still quite a few things left around there. I can't remember where the overhead used to end. I think it were a bit further up there. Well, telling you the story about me, about when me and my granddad used to walk down here. I think the stables, some of the 76s around there. I think sometimes they used to detach 76 up here and all. And bang a 47 on it, or detach a 47 then to stick a 76 if it was an empty train going back to South Yorkshire coal fields. Oh yeah, there was some signs down there between Godley Junction and Hattersley. Now Hattersley is relatively a new station because I don't think it was built until 1972. I don't think 72 or 73. Could have been earlier than that. It's an island platform with a single footbridge. It's been trashed over the years. When it first opened, it was a lovely station, and the generation of tow rags came along and then trashed it. Same thing that happened to a Brookfold signal box. 323 over there, heading for Glossop and Hadfield. There we go. Oh, the water's coming to an end there now. So the old cottages over there. Some more of the gantries. Or what used to be the for the gantries. This here was part of the platform of Godley Station. Godley was a station that was there for probably since the line was built, and then what happened, a small wooden Godley station was built for the centre of Godley itself, nothing there, just a few houses, and then Godley's was then closed. I think it was only used a couple of times, peak hour and things like that, but that were it after that. I don't know what it is, I ain't got a clue. The box over there and all, have a look. I know. I don't know what will go there because it's private property. I probably shouldn't even be here, to be honest. This is all private property, but like I said, I've walked down here a few years now, no one's ever said anything, and I have seen people have seen me, and they've only let on to me, to be honest. I don't think it's a problem as long as you don't try going over that fence. But yeah, that's the end of the world, people. That's now the main line, or the local line. Godley station's over there. Like I said, I don't think I should be up here, to be honest, so I don't want to better pushing the luck. Yeah, let's go. They'll get it down here. Like I said, I don't think I can oversay anything, but I'm not taking risk. So, anyway, see these guys here. Anyway, I'm gonna go, folks. I'm gonna get some still pictures, and I'll speak to you all soon. I know you've enjoyed the video, and I do apologise if I've been going on for too long. So, I'll see you all soon.